Welcome to the Hindu editorial classes. Today our topic is rules and rulers. The rules and rulers means the one who create rules or rulers. Rules on social media. The government must hear out the social media industry and shut its arbitrary rule making. We have an idiom shedding crocodile tears or shed, and we can say that the three leaves are shedding means they are falling. And arbitrary means whatever they want, whatever they like, whatever they want. So they have to live whatever they want, however they want, making the rules. Who has to live? The government. And that is the title of the editorial. Living arbitrary rule making. What they have to do? They have to hear. They have to hear the social media industry. Right. It does seem that most if not all global social media giants will miss complying with the new IT rules of intermediaries. Here complying is adhere, and intermediaries are the one who sticks between the giants, so-called giants, WhatsApp or Facebook, who will in between the users. The users are intermediaries. So the majority social media giants like Facebook and Google will miscomply with the new IT rules of intermediaries. So they will not able to comply with the new rules, which comes effective from today. Which comes into effect today. So there is the problem. Actually, previously the government gave 3 months of time. The government set few rules for social media, but still the social media are not able to follow such rules. That is this editorial. Let's look briefly. Yes, it would be unfortunate if this non-compliance were to trigger a further worsening of already poor relation between some social media players and the government. Actually, some social media player is here. It is Twitter. The Twitter is tagging that few BJP posts. We all know that in yesterday and day before yesterday editorials also it came that the Twitter is tagging that few social media posts of Bharatiya Janata Party manipulated media. Twitter is tagging that few posts as manipulated media, and the BJP has requested to remove the tag as manipulated media. Yesterday editorials, some social media, the among other things, they require the bigger social media platforms, which the rules refer to as significant social media intermediaries. Okay. To as significant social media intermediaries to adhere to a vastly tighter set of rules within 3 months, which ended on May 25. So, which the government set a few new rules to the social media platforms to follow, to adhere. Within it gave a timeline. It gave 3 months of time to set new rules, which ended on May 25th. So, what are the rules? The rules are they require these platforms to appoint a chief complaint officer in order to make sure the rules are followed, and to appoint a nodal officer. And the government of India asked to appoint these people from India only. Whatever this chief complaint officer, nodal officer, to coordinate with law enforcement agencies like CBI, and to form a grievance officer. Means if the people has report anything, if we found anything guilty in social media, there should be a grievance center for reporting. That has to be solved within 15 days. All these are the new rules set by the government of India to all the social media platforms. Another rule requires messaging platforms such as WhatsApp to trace problematic messages to its originators, raising uneasy questions about how services that are end-to-end encrypted can adhere to this. Yeah. So the WhatsApp is telling that means the government of India asked WhatsApp to recognize where the origin of such post is, such fake post or such post is originated. But the WhatsApp to trace the problematic message. But WhatsApp is telling that we adhere to end-to-end encrypted. So how can it is possible? There are many problems with the new rules. So indeed many problems with the new rules. not the list of. Here see what is the meant by not the list of is there are two negative words, not and the list. We can take it as one of the one of the things, like one of the things. We can take it as like one of the things. Now the list of, which is the manner in which they were introduced without much public consultation. Indeed, like that social media people are asking, how do you take such decisions without asking public consultations like civil societies, or without taking public opinion? You did arbitrarily as you wish. That all these micro blogging platforms were telling. There has also been criticism about bringing in a plethora of new rules that ought to be normally triggered only via legislative action. Plethora means lot of new rules that government is bringing. There is the meaning. So the government is bringing plethora of new rules. So who have the right to bring the new rules? The parliament has the right to bring the new rules. So the government can bring the new rules only for small things, or for important things, or when there is a crisis happen. But without having a legislative parliament assembly, without having that, the government itself making law. So you see there are three types of system in for us: legislative, judiciary, and administrative. So legislative makes the laws and administrative follows that, right? So what happened is the legislature cannot write everything, so they give that to the delegated legislature. Means that administrative can add something to the laws that was made by the legislature, right? So here who are doing the legislative action? The administrative itself is making the new rules, but who has to do the rules? The legislative parliament has to rule, has to create the laws. That is the criticism here on the government. But non-compliance can only make things worse, especially in a situation in which the relationship between some platforms such as Twitter and the government seems to have broken down. Actually, I said previously that Twitter has telling that manipulated media, it has tagging for BJP post. Twitter is keeping a tag for BJP post as manipulated media. So the government asked the Twitter to remove that. It is the issue between the Twitter and the government right now. The last standoff between them over Twitter tagging certain posts of BJP spokespeople as manipulated media has even resulted in the Delhi police visiting the company office separately. The government has been fighting WhatsApp over its new privacy rules. Yeah, WhatsApp has also made new privacy rules. We discussed it in day before. Actually, we discussed it in this week itself, or last Saturday, that WhatsApp made a new privacy policy. It's updated a new privacy policy. What is the new privacy policy is that it will share the user data to its parent company, Facebook. What it share the user data means whatever the things the people are interested to buy, or whatever the things the people are interested to visit, each and every data is shared to the Facebook, and all the business people will do get favor on that. If you suggest a mobile of something, that be noted by the WhatsApp, and it suggests to, and the data will be taken to the Facebook. Whenever you log in, you will see some ads particular to that mobile, right? And Twitter and WhatsApp also takes your age group and gives data to the sellers to target certain areas only. Few people buy few things, few cosmetic items or few items will be bought by only by few types of people only, so they can target easily. So the things will be sold easily. So Twitter has updated its policy. Sorry, Twitter, not Twitter, WhatsApp, that it will share its user data to its parent company. It's not doing in UK, but it's happening in India. The government asks why you are doing an injustice to Indians. It is telling that there is no such law in India, but there in UK there is a privacy protection. So we are not doing UK. Instead of Twitter, instead of the government of India talking to the WhatsApp, they can make the law, right? But nothing is happening like that. And the new privacy policy also tells that if you want to wish to stay, or if you want to accept the privacy policy of the new updated privacy policy, it automatically leave. You can automatically leave. That's happening. There is no chance for us. It's an injustice. The government of India is saying it's an injustice because people are using it for several months and several years. So if there is no option for us we have to accept the privacy policy, then our data will be shared. If you don't wish, you have to leave the platform. You have to delete your account. That's the thing in privacy policy. And the WhatsApp is saying that we are ready to lose the users, and why do government is involving in this? That's the WhatsApp saying. Okay, interesting. It's interesting. Whatever the backstory, it is important that social media companies fight the new rules in a court of law if they find them to be problematic. If they find, they have to fight, they have to go to the court. The other opinion that of engaging with the government, or they have to sit with the government and to settle the issues, may not work in these strained times. These strained times means in this corona period, because every people are in this pandemic situation. It's not the right time to fight. It has to go to the court, or it has to settle the issue with the government in these strained times, in these pandemic times. But stonewalling on the question of compliance can never be justified, even if it's to be assumed that the US government has their back. So whatever the Facebook and WhatsApp can tell that US government is with us, so you have to accept that cannot be done, right? So where do they originate? Where the headquarters of this WhatsApp and Facebook? They are in United States, right? Right. The United States government is favored to them at any cost. So they can't take that as an advantage. Facebook on its part has made all the right noises, and it has said that it aims to comply the new rules, but also needs to engage with the government on a few issues. It says that it will follow the new rules, but also needs to engage with the government for few issues. And it wants to discuss with the government regarding few issues. What is important is that the genuine concern of social media companies are taken on board, apart from issues about the rules, and have been problems about creating conditions of other complaints during the pandemic. Right, I will explain. So take on board means to consider. The important genuine concerns of social media has to be listened by the government of India. Right, that is what they are saying. They have to consider. Take on board means they have to consider the genuine issues. And apart from these issues about the rules, there have been problems about creating conditions from complaints during this pandemic. Actually, there is a pandemic time. It is very difficult to create whatever the government is asking at this pandemic time. They are telling conditions for complaints during the pandemic, creating conditions. They're asking, is there necessary conditions to create and to follow? As per now, the situation is worse. As reported by the Hindu, 5 industry bodies, including the CII, FICCI, and US-based industry council, have sought the extension of 6 to 12 months for compliance. They asked to extend it for 6 to 12 months. This is an opportunity for the government to hear out the industry and also shed its higher hand way of rule making. Shed means to leave its higher hand way of rule making. Means it has to listen to the industry. Without listening to the industries, we are the higher hand, means we are on the high power. So we can make the rules, we can make whatever we want. So without forcing them, or we are in high power, you have to do whatever I say. The government has to listen to the industries. Recently, there were few articles regarding only this issue. If you have seen, every day there is an article regarding social media, something about the privacy policy of WhatsApp, and about Twitter, that the government asked Twitter to remove the tags. We are seeing these daily editorials in Hindu. This is also an interesting topic for us. Right, that is for today. If you like our editorial, please encourage us. We will definitely work out to give the better output. Thank you.